Okay, so within SolidWorks, we have the following problem with the scale tool. The dialog box will not appear when a dimension is set. How we can fix this? Let's take a look over here. So I already added the sketch picture over here. If I will close that, if I will leave the sketch, this will be underneath sketch 3 over here. So I will edit the sketch, double click, and this will re-enable the sketch picture over here. We see it over here that now this is with black. That means it can no longer be defined, but we can re-enable this to make it configurable again. So I can click over here on enable. I can check it again, and we're going to see that will be a blue line. Now again, I have the possibility to grab those arrowheads. The same problem occurs over here, so I need to be patient because initially we need to move the vertex on the left. And we see that I can have it rescaled now. I will position this point over here, and now I will grab the arrowhead. And if I will position this, as soon as I will leave the left click in this case, that will snap, and this value will appear over here. So the problem encountered over here is that the dialog box will not appear for this dimension. I think that this is a multi-window, and it may be a problem, but I'm really curious if other values within SolidWorks will appear. Then this should also appear over here. So again, I can add the value, which will be this one. I can click OK, and we're going to have this rescaled. I think that since SolidWorks is a multi-window software, for example, if I will go over here and I will create a new sketch, let's say that this will be the rectangle. If I will extrude this, it will appear like this. So the value will be added over here within this window, not directly over here. But if I will click OK, and I will right click edit feature this, it will again go over here. So not within the viewport as a value that we can input over there. But as you can see, we can also configure this. But if I want that value to appear over here, I can enable the feature dimensions over here. So for this part, let's take a look at that one. So now it appears over here. I can double click on that, and we're going to have that value added over here. So 300, it will change that value. I'm really curious if this kind of window will appear, because this is the same as the one used within the sketch picture. And you should test this in order to see if that works or not. For example, if I will make this only 10, we're going to see that this will be the following output. So this hasn't been updated. I also need to click on rebuild, and now we're going to have that updated. Again, 200 millimeters. I still need to rebuild this, so I can press Ctrl B in order to use a hotkey, and that will work. Okay, so I'm really curious if that dialog box appears, because as it looks, they share the same functionality. So I'm really curious about that. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You will find a similar video on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.